There are many YouTube videos touting great antennas for POTA activations, but how about using practically no antenna at all? I didn't intend to use the worst possible sky hook, but that's sort of how it worked out. First, some backstory. I went to a local park I had activated several times in the past using exactly the same gear. Nothing fancy, a Yaesu 891, a 15 amp hour battery, homebrew 49-to-1 transformer, and a 40 meter end-fed dipole that had worked well in 40, 20, and 10 meters in the past. So here's the setup I used that day. 891 connected to RG58 about 3 feet off the ground, running over to a convenient picnic table where I secured the 49-to-1 transformer, hooked up the 40 meter dipole end fed, and got it up into a live oak tree about 25 feet. As usual, the wind was blowing like crazy this spring in Florida. You see the Spanish moss jumping around. As I started to operate, I quickly realized I had a high SWR, close to 3-to-1. I tried lengthening and then later shortening the wire. Nothing made a difference. And the band sounded funny. A few strong signals and a lot of weak ones. After an hour and a half, mostly hunting and pouncing, I got my 10 contacts, half of them park to park. I packed up and called it a day. Later, an inspection of the 49-to-1 transformer uncovered the problem. I had an open connection to the dipole. The entire antenna was the windings of the transformer coil and perhaps whatever was coupled through to the coax shield through the capacitor, which was all 3 feet off the ground. Or was the dipole somewhat coupled even though it was an open? Who knows? So don't despair if you can't erect a perfect antenna. Anything will work. A little bit. 73s. See you later.